To compress a folder and share it via Google Drive, first make sure all your files are inside one folder. This just keeps things neat and easy. Next, right-click on the folder, hover over Send To, and select Compressed Zipped Folder. This will create a smaller, zipped version of your folder. Give it a few seconds to finish. Once that's done, head over to Gmail and click Compose to start a new email. Add the recipient's email address, then click the little Google Drive icon at the bottom. Choose the zipped folder you just created and hit Upload. Wait for the upload to complete. And that's it. You've compressed and shared your folder the easy way. Super handy when you're sending big files.